Today I'm going to show you how to create a virtual machine in the Microsoft Azure. All you do is you click on the virtual machines there and you just wait for it to populate. Click on the add button on the far left side. What I'm going to do is add it into the resource group. Give it a name and then select the operating system which you would like to be using on your virtual machine. I'm going to be using the Server 2016 server, and then you put in your username and password. Once you put your username and password in, you need to select on here how you're going to connect to the actual virtual machine. So I'm going to click on this for the server itself, and then I'm going to go to the next page which tells you the disks for the machine itself. I'm not going to use the premium, but you can use the premium yours as super fast SSD ones. I'm just going to use the standard ones on mine because mine's just like a test showing you what to do. Okay, you go to the networking part. Right, this is set up for me correctly. So then you go to the next one, the management. This is if you want the monitoring. It shows you. I've got it selected on there, so it's okay. I'll have that on there too, and that actually shows you a monitoring page. It will come onto your front page of your actual dashboard. Click on the advanced button there. On this advanced button, you've got a choice of actually creating a Gen 2 or a Gen 1 VM. I'm going to stay with that one bit. And then what you do then is you click on Review. Once you've reviewed it, then you create the VM as well. See if you're happy with it. It takes about 10 minutes to actually do. It's going a little bit quicker, but it's still working through. And this actually will sit within your resource group. And the virtual machine has finished. So just how do I connect to this virtual machine? I'm going to open that, just try and open it. And if you click on the connect there by RDP, you'll have to download the RDP file to your server or your desktop, and then you can actually RDP into the actual virtual machine. Going to connect to the machine via RDP. This is just like a demo of purpose. I mean, you can actually make it more secure in later videos. Now it's just actually starting to log into the virtual machine. This is the 2016 data center. Everything looks okay. And that's the our first virtual server which I've created on the Microsoft Azure. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this into an AD, Active Directory, and I'll probably show you that another day. Okay, back. As you can see there, it says AJDC, and if you go down to all servers, okay, right, I'll